Tyler space Posey.
And your Twitter handle is?
Tyler G Posey. You can figure it
All right. He passed the test, I think.
Thank you. Dylan O'Brien, DYLAN, at Dylan O'Brien, DYLAN.
Oh, no apostrophe, P-R-I-E-N.
You'd be
out.
surprised.
No apostrophe on the Twitter handle. Remember that.
It's a big thing.
Crystal Reed, CRYSTALREED, Crystal M. Reed, at Crystal M. Reed,
N or M?
at Crystal M.
M.
M&M's.
We also saw
That's also confusing.
Marshall Mathers.
Who's that?
Tyler Hicklin. Hold on, this one sucks. TYLER HOECHLIN. Terrible. Twitter is TYLERL underscore HOECHLIN.
All right, and on three, you're going to say it together. The hashtag for the project is 1, 2, 3.
Hashtag
Oh,
Teen Wolf.
what? Sorry, we
We'll
were
do it again.
listening.
Okay, sorry.
I'm paying
All right.
attention.
So on three, the hashtag for the project is 1, 2, 3 into the camera.
Hashtag Teen Wolf.
I'm sorry, what do we? I don't know.
What hashtag do your fans tweet on?
So just say hashtag Teen Wolf.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a fun
Hashtag
way.
Teen Wolf.
Got it.
All right, here we go on 3, 2, 1.
Hashtag Teen Wolf. If you want. I don't know. You don't have to.
You got it.